Hello, this video will introduce you to new MERTS features offered in the update. We have eliminated the Summary page in Data Entry tab and replaced it with an Add New Transaction icon found on the toolbar. This new data entry concept is designed to simplify entry for experienced users as well as provide a step-by-step process for new users. The data entry screens are now organized into two categories: incoming committee receipts and outgoing committee expenses. New and experienced users can follow a step-by-step guide that asks relevant questions to determine what type of transaction needs to be entered. If you are an experienced user or already know what type of transaction to enter, you can select the appropriate transaction type. Hover-overs and tips are provided throughout the software. A drop-down calendar has been added to the entry screens, providing a new option for entering data. The software now limits the data entry of transactions to the coverage period for the report selected to help eliminate incorrect date errors from selecting the date on the calendar or manually entering the date. Another new feature allows the user to view the address information of the contributor or vendor and edit the record while entering a transaction. Once a transaction is complete, simply select the next transaction type needed from the Incoming Committee Receipts or Outgoing Committee Expenses button. A list of available transaction types will appear. Users can now instantly search online manuals, user guides, or view step-by-step videos for working within the software while entering transactions. We have added additional icons on the toolbar to launch data entry screens, visit the MERTS website, access our new video library, or direct you to our contact information for support staff with the software, as well as campaign finance assistance. For questions about the new software, contact the Bureau of Elections. Thank you.